Let's do the turkey trot weave. First row, let's twine. 2 weavers, 2 colors, in front of one, behind one, all the way around the basket for 1 row. Second row, adding a new weaver. This time it's blue, and we're just going to do a plain weave. Put those twiners behind you for a minute. Over and under, pretty basic stuff, okay? Make sure that those blues are stacked on blues. All right, let's go back to those twiners. This is our 3rd row. What are we going to do? Nope. We're going to do a reverse twine. Reverse twine goes underneath and then behind. Goes underneath and then behind. Underneath and then behind, which is different than a regular twine. Okay, see how you get that V looking? That's what we're shooting for. Okay, so row 4 then is going to be a white weaver, and it's going to be a plain weave too. Make sure that it stacks on top of the whites, and then we're going to come back and grab those twiners because we came around, right? And we're going to do reverse twine on the 5th row. Same thing. It's going to go underneath, right? Underneath, not on top. Nope, not that way. Underneath and down. Underneath and down. And always bring those 2 forward. You got it. All right, so you've learned a cool new weave called the turkey trot, and you can grab the kit. They're going fast. See you next time.